Yes. And then, as of this point, we are going to witness the first dance of our newlywed couple. So, take a moment, guys. Go ahead. Sweet. Another music. Music, please. It's okay. While waiting for the music, thank you again for coming. And I know mag-enjoy ta tonight, ha? Why mag-boring na to. So, we do have a lot of surprises as well. We do have games. And our couple prepare prizes for you guys. So, we do have prizes and we do have questions. And I guess if sold mo sa couple, maka-answer mo sa question. And we do have the prize prepared with our couple.
Hi, teacher.
Alright. So, while waiting for the music, we're